All right, day 4 is going to be a banger of a deal, and it's going to be 35% off on all Franklin carts. So there's basically 4 different ones that I can find, and it's an absolute crazy deal. 35% off on these carts. I've never seen them so low, and I'll go over the options they have. I'll start off with the big utility cart. It's 36 inches by 24 inches, and it has a weight capacity of 500 pounds. The depth of the top tray, and I guess maybe the bottom tray too, is about 2 3/4 of an inch deep. So if you're in the market for either a black one or a gray one, they have both options available. And this is going to be a crazy deal because it's normally priced at 130 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for $84.50. And here's a look at the handles. Has a cup holder and other organizers. So very nice. It's an awesome deal to save 35% on that. If you don't need something quite as big, they do have the smaller option available as well. And this one is priced at 100 bucks. It's 30 inches wide by 16 inches deep, and it's 33 inches high. It also has 2 3/4 of an inch of the tray depth, and it also offers a 500-pound weight capacity, just like the bigger cart does. So this is what it looks like. So similar to the other one, having the cup holder and other organizers there on the top part. So this one would be priced at 65 bucks because this is normally priced at 100 bucks. So it's an awesome deal. And this is also available in the black color too. So you have options there of the gray and the black on these two carts. And if you're enjoying this video so far, I would appreciate you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these deal videos. Let's move to the next carts. And the other carts that should be included in this deal are the foot-operated hydraulic table carts. They have a 500-pound option, which is the top one here, and then the bottom one is rated at 1,000 pounds. I'm kind of mad that they are doing this deal actually, because I had bought the 1,000-pound cart when they had the 15% off of one item deal, and I wish I waited now. It's an excellent cart. If you've been in the market for this cart, it's definitely worth the pickup. I highly recommend it. It's been great. And so the 500-pound one goes to a height of 28 1/4 inches. It has a non-slip rubber mat to it, which both of them do. And that mat does come off. And these levers here are the foot pedals. So you use that to pump it up to adjust the height on it. And then it has the handle here to relieve the pressure of the hydraulic lift to lower the table. So I know some of you commented and are waiting for a good deal on it. This is the time to pick it up and save 35% on them. So to give you the example, the 500-pound cart, that price is 250 bucks, the retail price. So you will be able to pick it up for $162.50. It's an insane deal on that. And then the 1,000-pound cart, that one's normally priced at 360 bucks. So that's going to be the best bang for the buck on the savings of the 35% off. You'll be able to pick it up for $234. That is crazy. I'm mad they're doing this deal. I wish I waited. I do highly recommend them. They're great carts. It's excellent for if you have a truck to be able to transfer loads to the table cart and to be able to lower it without busting your back. The other thing that they're good for is I actually saw another YouTube video of a guy doing a review on the 1,000-pound cart, and he actually added a piece of plywood to the top of it, so he was able to fit his snowblower on it, and so he can adjust the height on it and work on the snowblower without having to be on the ground doing it. So it has many different uses you could use these table carts for. So great versatility on them, and I do recommend it. So we'll have to see when the deal comes out if there's anything else under that Franklin cart brand that will be part of the deal. But these are the 4 carts that automatically come up on their site. So again, that's going to be day 4 of the 10 days of deals, and it's going to be for Monday, May 4th for the 4th day. And it's 1 day only on that deal, so you only have the 1 day to be able to capture it. And in case you missed my ITC deal video from the other day where I announced the 50K giveaway for doing the 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits giveaway for reaching the 50,000 subscriber mark, which again, guys, I really do appreciate you getting me across that finish line. And if you missed that video, I'll need you to go over to that video if you want to enter to win. All you have to do is leave a comment on that video. I'll be pulling the winners on May 10th, and I'll be posting the winners on my community posts on my channel. So do not respond to any scam comments, replies to your comments saying that you won, and they're going to ask you for a shipping charge. So disregard those replies. I'm trying to handle it and get them removed, but they seem to be popping up though, so just give you that heads up. And again, comment on that video. I'll put a link up above to that video in case you missed it. And again, I'll be doing the drawing on May 10th. and posting it on my community post. All right, now on to day 5, which is going to be May 5th, Tuesday. It's going to be 25% off on chainsaws and pole saws, tool only though, so it's not going to include the ones that are happen to be a kit. So again, it's going to be 25% off on that, and then 45% off of ammo boxes. So some pretty decent deals coming around the corner. I'll cover some of the chainsaws they have here, as well as the ammo boxes. So for example, they have the Atlas 80 volt 18-inch chainsaw. It is brushless. It offers a tool-free chain tension, mechanical chain brake, and an automatic chain oiler, just like most chainsaws would have. And this one's priced at $150, so save 25% on that. They have a Bauer corded chainsaw. It's a 16-inch one. It also offers a tool-free chain tension. That was priced at $75. Also from Bauer, they have the 20 volt chainsaw. It's a 10-inch one, so it's nice and compact. Also offering the tool-free chain tension, which to me is a pretty big deal because you don't have to have the actual tool to be able to adjust the chain on them. This one's priced at $85 for the tool only. And if I'm correct, when I saw the promotions page when they had it up on the site, which they since removed it, they had the Chicago Electric chainsaw sharpener. So you're able to mount this to a bench, wall, or vise, and it includes 4¼ inch by 18-inch grinding wheel on it. And this is priced at $35. So the Chicago Electric might be handy to have if you do a lot of cutting of wood. You just set it right up there on the table, and this little lower section swivels to whichever angle you're doing the chains on. It has a pull down grip to it, handle, with like a little brake lever to clamp down on the chain part. Might be pretty neat, especially for only $35 to be able to sharpen chains. I mean, there's usually other hand sharpeners out there that are just as expensive as this option. So I wonder if it's any good. If you happen to have experience with it, let us know down in the comments below. And they also sell the replacement grinding wheels for the Chicago Electric sharpener. That's priced at $6 each. I don't know if it's going to be included in the deal or not. And if you're picking up a chainsaw, don't forget to pick up some bar and chain oil. They have a quart of it priced at $8. And they have the Portland brand of the corded chainsaw. It's 9 amp, 14-inch one. That one's priced at $50. Then they have the small Bauer, the 5-inch mini chainsaw. It's a pruning saw, 20 volt, tool only, and that's priced at $65. And the top one here is a gas-powered Portland chainsaw. This is an 18-inch one with a 42cc engine. It offers an anti-vibration handle, an adjustable oiler as well, which that might be nice to have. And that's priced at $185. And next up is going to be some different pole saw options. They have the 80 volt Atlas 10-inch brushless pole saw. So it has a 10-inch bar and chain. It extends up to 9 feet. And that's priced at $90. Or you could go with the Bauer option, which is an 8-inch one. It extends from 6 feet to 9 feet. And it has an automatic chain oiler. And that's also priced at $90. Tool only. So both of them are priced at $90. And they do have a 40 volt Atlas option, and maybe your store might still have them or not. But at this store, it's a 10-inch one, and it's currently on clearance right now at $55. So you would be able to save 25% on that if that's the case, and they have them at your store. They also have a Portland option of a 7 amp corded pole saw. It's a 9.5-inch one, and that extends from 6 feet to 8 feet 10 inches, and that's priced at $70. And the other deal that they combined it with day 5 on May 5th is the 45% off on ammo boxes. So it would be an excellent time to pick up some ammo boxes if you're in the market for them. And I'll go over the different options they have here. So I will start off with the 50 cal plastic ammo box that is priced at $9. Then they have the 30 cal ammo box that's plastic also, and that's priced at $6. Then they have the 50 cal metal ammo box. That's priced at $20. And I'm not sure if this is going to be included or not. The tactical ammo box, it holds 6 to 8 boxes of standard ammo, and it's priced at $12 there. And that's all the ammo boxes that I'm seeing here in the store. So excellent deal to save 45% on it. Definitely a good time to get some if you need some. All right, so that's going to be it for the day 4 and day 5 of deals. I figure I'd combine both days into one video. That way it compacts it for you guys and not drag out 2 videos for you. So let me know if you plan on picking up anything, whether ammo boxes or those Franklin carts or a chainsaw. I think they're excellent deals myself. I'm still mad about that Franklin cart deal. All right, so if you gain value from this video, I would appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more of these deal videos, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much.